Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Myself, Amajot. Now I'm presenting the next part of this slide. From here, for today, my topics are integration market communication for the repositioning and positioning of the flight center, promotional mix, and the effect of the promotional mix tool on the optimization of the works, as well as how website helps the organization to create this environment, as well as for the enhances business. For the first topic, integration market communication. It is the process through which a flight center connect with its customers through different integration communication. It is a continuous process through which they directly contact with their customers through emails, through different channels. So for the integrated market communication, it is an approach through which a flight center try to set up the mind of the customers. They try to keep in the mind of their customers. For integration market communication tools, it has both two types. It's online as well as offline. Online is for the digital marketing and offline is for the physical marketing. And for integration marketing tool, it has the 4 C's. 4 C's represent the coherence, consistency, continuity, and complementary. For the coherence, it means that the message should be legally connected with the across all channels, that all the messages should be presented by the flight center. It should be same in all, as well as for offline as well as for online center. They have always represent the same message, same video, same for that all advertisement methods. Consistency means it means the message which they represent, they are showing to the public, it should be spoke to the flight center. The main purpose of the flight center is to satisfaction of the customer service. So they provide their message in such a way that it provides the customer satisfaction, customer coherency, customer set up the mind of the customer. Continuity, for the continuity, it should be continuously in the minds of the customer. Flight center should always visible in the social media, as well as they always update the information on the continuous basis. Because if there is any error, if there is not updation of the recent information, flight center may not be connected to their customers. Any information, if there is not present in the social media, they will their competitor will compete the flight center. As well as for complementary, it is the combination of all above threes. For the complementary, they should have include all the above three methods, and it should be a better organization for the organization, that they should combine all message, all advertisement tools as well as a continuity in together, so that flight center can able to keep in the market and they are able to keep in the mind of the customers. And for the next, how flight center maintain a positioning and repositioning in the marketing as well as for the environment. For online environment, flight center introduced the different type of strategies at the national as well as for the international level. For the national and international level, they introducing the university to youth and student market. For this, they specially targeting the youth marketing. They provide different type of offers to the youth students. They offer discounts, they offer different type of fares, so that they can able to attract the specially youth. And for this, due to COVID-19, there is a high crisis, so the flight center decide to remove all online booking fees, so that they are able to attract the more and more customers. They have a website like flightcenter.com AU website, where they mention that they have removed their online booking fees, so the customer can able to book their flight tickets. So if there is any cancellation, is there any, they didn't charge for that. And for this, flight center also has a new brand campaign, which is, as Momo said, all travel, no worries. Here they have provided different destinations, so that you can travel with the flight center anywhere and at any time. And my next is promotional mix tools. For the promotion mix, for the flight center, there are the 5 tools like advertisement, personal selling, sale promotion, public relation, direct marketing. All these tools are the communication channels of the flight center. And for the advertisement, flight center is always updating on the advertisement. Like they have the online advertisement as well as offline advertisement strategies. For the online advertisement strategies, they are always present on the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on the different sites. As in the picture, it is a recent advertisement by the Flight Center where they provide the economy return, like they reduces the fees, they provide the trips to the customers. And for the offline strategies, they have the different type of print, brochures, broadcast media, like they have boards in the market, but the message for the online and offline both are the same for the Flight Center. And for the personal selling, as a personal selling, it means there is a direct contact with the customer, there is a face-to-face contact with the customer. For the Flight Center, due to COVID-19, now some stores are physically closed, but some stores are open where customers are allowed to fix the appointment. They are allowed to come in the Flight Center office and solve their queries. As well as for the personal selling is the best. For that, customers are able to interact with the customer care representative. For the public relation is that the Flight Center should always present in the publicly. They have the publicity. For the publicity, they have used the mass media, they use the print media, they are using the different type of campaign, they use the conferences for the public relation, for the interaction with the public, for their brochures, for their different type of methods. For the public, in 2020, in fact 2020, they organized a special event, that is sport event as well as travel export, where they organize the event in which they allow the customers to book their fees. They have a sport event in which they allow their customers to participate and get some tickets at a free cost, and they remove the ticket fees for the Flight Center, as well as they allow the first 20 contestants to get in their event, and as well as they allow them to, there is no booking fees for their participation. For the direct marketing, there is a direct contact with the customers. Flight Center always keep the record of their customers, where they have their email IDs, contact number, their names, for which they can directly contact with customer. In case of any promotion, in case of any new offers, they contact to their customers, they send the feedback to the customers, as well as they send the promotion mails to the customer, where the customer can interact with that and can get these offers. For the sale promotion, in order to get promoting the marketing, in order to get visible in the market, Flight Center also side by side gives some promotional sales to the customer, in which they give the discount to the customers, in which they promote their brand in the marketing. And due to some competition, due to some crisis, or due to COVID-19, they always reduce their fare. And for the Christmas, there is the next plan for the Christmas. They allow their customers to, for the next holiday trip, in which there is a trip for the 3 days, where they allow their customers to book the fees for the family members, and also get the offers in less time. And now next is, what is the role of website for the Flight Center? Website also will play an important role, where the website is a contact where the customer can go to the link and open their link, and they can have their many inquiries. If the customer has any query, they can go visit to the website. Website is a tool where all information about their offers, their products, their services is available, as well as their contact number of the Flight Center is also available. So customer can visit to the website and open this link. So they, in case of any issue, there is a 24/7 contact number of the customer care. Through this website, they just finally open the Flight Center website. There we are allowed to put our name, gender, email ID, whatever you have the information. And after the left hand side of the website, there is the different links, like for the service, for the events, for the tour, for the package. In case of any issue, customer can also provide the feedback. And for the feedback, the manager of the Flight Center are responsible to give the quick review for that. It's my all part. Thank you.
You said that one purpose of the company is to keep in the mind of the customers, but how do they exactly do that?
For this, I can say that for keeping the mind of the customer, they are always visible in the marketing. they are always present in the marketing so that there is increase for the brand awareness and for the keep in the mind of the customer as a loyalty, as a service satisfaction, so that during the, if a customer hire any service from the flight center, they provide the service in such a way that the customer can have a good experience with that. Even for that, customer can share their experience with their other members. So it is in the keep in the mind of the customer, so that in case of any brand, they hear about the flight center, it will, the image of the flight center automatically reflect in their mind. So it's the key.